You just found the 2024 Hyundai Palisade. Enjoy a new level of comfort and convenience on all your family outings in this spacious Palisade. Crossover versatility, flexible interior layout, advanced safety features, silky V6 power, and 3-row seating make this SUV an unbeatable value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, 3rd-row seat, all-wheel drive, sun moonroof, V6 cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, keyless start, premium sound system. Sophistication meets family-focused flexibility in this can-do Palisade. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.